Hey everyone, if your Chrome extensions are not working because of permission issues in 2026, like blocked features, restricted access, or error messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Chrome extensions permissions problems. First, open the extension manager inside Google Chrome. This is where you control all settings and permissions for each extension. Next, check site access permissions. You can set it to on-click, specific sites, or all sites, depending on what the extension requires. Now, allow required permissions. Some extensions need access to storage, tabs, or browsing data to work properly. After that, remove and reinstall the extension. This resets all permissions and fixes most issues instantly. Next, check Chrome privacy and security settings. Strict settings can sometimes block extensions from functioning correctly. Now enable third-party cookies if needed. Some extensions rely on them to work properly. Finally, update your Chrome browser. Outdated versions often cause permission conflicts and errors. So yeah, that's how you fix Chrome extensions permissions problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your extensions should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey